Okay, this is refuting evolution, chromosome number 2. In this video, I'm gonna refute the fused chromosome argument. This is, according to many evolutionists, one of the most powerful proofs for evolution, specifically for the idea that humans and chimps share a common ancestor. So the argument goes as follows. Chimps and other primates have 24 pairs of chromosomes and humans have 23 pairs, meaning that there is a missing chromosome. Therefore, if evolution is true and we share a common ancestor with chimps, one of the human chromosomes must have gone fused. Of course, this argument is circular reasoning. It only makes sense if you assume evolution in the first place. It's circular reasoning. But anyway. However, this can be refuted very easily by creationists. The short response is yes. Maybe there was a chromosome fusion in the past. Maybe an ancient human had a chromosomal fusion, and that fused chromosome was inherited by the next generations. This is obviously possible. Chromosome fusions happen today, so why wouldn't they occur in the past? Of course, when humans suffer chromosomal fusions today, it is not like they become a different kind of animal. I mean, humans with fused chromosomes are still humans. What I'm trying to say is that the fusion occurred in a human who came from a human and whose descendants were also human. There is no reason to include ancient apes to explain the fused chromosome. Evolutionists argue that the fused chromosome was predicted by evolution, and not finding the fused chromosome would falsify evolution. However, this is not true. This is just evolutionary propaganda. Evolutionists did not predict this fusion. And in fact, I have two challenges for evolutionists. The first challenge is, show me an article, a book, a conference, or something written by an evolutionist claiming that not finding a fused chromosome in the human genome will falsify evolution. Of course, this article, book, conference, or whatever must predate the day the fusion was discovered. I mean, predictions are made before the discovery, so you have to show me evidence that someone predicted. And by the way, who predicted this? When was this predicted? I mean, evolutionists like to say that this fusion was predicted, but they never say who predicted the fusion. They never say where was this prediction published. So I want to know who made this prediction and where. And challenge number 2, this is more interesting. Okay, as you probably know, cows have 30 pairs of chromosomes and sheep have 27 pairs. So according to evolutionary interpretations, 3 of the sheep chromosomes must have gone fused. So what if we don't find three fused chromosomes in sheep? Will that falsify evolution? I mean, I use the example of sheep and cows because sheep and cows are in a way similar than chimps and humans. For example, chimps and humans are from the same family, but from a different genus, and creationists will say that chimps and humans are a different kind of animal. And similarly, cows and sheep are also from the same family, but from a different genus, and creationists will say that cows and sheep come from a different kind, are different kinds of animals. So, I mean, should we find 3 fused chromosomes in sheep? And what if we don't find it? Will that falsify evolution? To be honest, I don't know the answer to this question. So, if you answer yes to this question, congratulations, that will be the first prediction ever made by an evolutionist. So, I want to know, what if we don't find 3 fused chromosomes in sheep? Will that be a problem for evolution, yes or not? But anyway, this is about it. I mean, the main point here is that There's nothing special about this chromosome fusion. Chromosome fusions happen today all the time, and it's not like one animal becomes a different kind of animal after this fusion. So, as I said before, the short explanation is that ancient humans had a fusion, and this fusion passed to the next generations. So there's nothing special about this fusion, and it is not a problem for creationists at all. So have a nice day.